first day of the week,
The mourners were bewildered, overwhelmed and torn by grief. All their hopes had come to nothing, all their dreams were crushed and gone. They had thought he was the promised king. How could they have been so wrong?
so many questions pierced their souls as they neared the tomb that day. But their grief soon turned to wonder when they heard the angels say, "He is risen.
He is not dead.
He is not dead. He is risen, just as he said, just as he said. Death could not keep, death could not keep him down. See him. He is risen. He is not here. In a world that's dark and heavy, there are people who still seek.
Their hearts are still bewildered, confused and torn by grief.
All their hopes have come to nothing, all their dreams are crushed and gone. They have not met the risen Lord, and they wonder what's gone wrong. So many questions pierce their souls as they search to find the truth. Will you lead them to the empty tomb? Will you share with them the